In our last journey, Fields of Excellence took us deep into the world of athletics, revealing the dedication and sacrifice that powers the Anju Bobby Sports Foundation. We saw the ground where dreams are shaped, forged in sweat and given wings to fly. It was a story of hope, resilience, and the relentless pursuit of gold. Today we turn our attention to a sport that is less a pastime and more a global language. Football. In a nation long captivated by cricket, a quiet revolution is underway. A movement building a new sporting identity from the ground up. Our pursuit of excellence leads us to the heart of this change, to Noida, Uttar Pradesh, and the world of Northern United Football Club.
When my elder son used to play golf when he was 6-7 years, suddenly one day he came from the school and he asked for the football, and he took football and he started playing football. And he says, Papa, I will play football. मैंने कहा बेटा you are playing for last 2 years golf, how you changing? No, I like this sport because my coach said that I can be in the football team. So I want to be in school football team, I want to play football. So then all passions came to our family. Then my younger son also, see the elder one, he also took the football. And then it's like eat football, sleep football, everything football in my home only. So that is how this came, their passion came to me actually.
This is not just a club, it's a commitment. Northern United Football Club represents the ambition to move beyond local leagues and carve a path for India on the global football stage.
And we started with a B division club, but after 2.5 years of journey into football, now we are the youngest and the fastest growing club in Delhi NCR region. This season we'll be playing DPL, which is considered as the topmost league in Delhi Soccer Association. So this was the journey where we started 2.5 years ago with a very with a B division, but now we are Delhi Premier League club, and we have around 4 to 5 centers with us, wherein all our coaches are licensed coaches. We try to give them proper infrastructure, best facilities, best equipments, and we are the only, I suppose we are the only ones in Noida wherein we have proper 11v11, 3 proper grounds.
This is where ambition meets infrastructure, where raw talent is given the structure needed to thrive. Here, the beautiful game is being perfected. One training session at a time.
There is a development group and there is a beginners group. So we are planning according this are planned according development and beginner group. So it has been decided 1 month before, and then we make a 3-month plan, and we after 2 months we review it whether this is helping out or not. If there is a change is needed, we do a change.
Every such monumental effort begins with a vision. It begins with a decision to invest not just money, but belief into a challenging ecosystem.
Of course, we want this club to grow, to give platform to each and everybody, no matter of the financial differences or the family background. but I'm happy to see children playing on the ground, leaving their gadgets at home and coming on the ground to play.
The goal here was clear from the outset.
Pressure! Come on, Devas!
To bridge the gap between India's enormous talent pool and the world-class opportunities they deserve.
Actually, I have taken my kids to a lot of outside country, like they've been to Brazil for 1 month, Spain. So I have seen the international coaches. I have seen the standard how they train. So we use the same philosophy here. Like we are based, our main intention is not only football. We say strength and conditioning. So we're using the modern techniques, strength and conditioning. Then their nutrition is very much important. So we are working on holistic development of the child. Not only कि इसको भगाना ही भगाना है, but we are thinking कि sport, the football is now the fast game. It's no more like skill से आप कर लोगे. Now you need speed, stamina. So for that reason we are using the same techniques. We have around 24 coaches in our academy.
An environment that breeds quality. A foundation where every touch, every movement is honed for international competitiveness. Behind the infrastructure lies the philosophy, the reason why this club exists. It's a story rooted in recognizing a deep systemic challenge within Indian football.
So we are running like 5 academy presently. So our structures goes like we start from under 4 till under 17 in our academy. So we have a age category like under 6. We keep maximum 10 child in a group, 10 to 8, and there one coach is there. Then it goes for under 8, same target, 10 only with one coach, not more than that. Then our structure goes for under 10, where we keep around 12 to 15 kids with one child. Then under 14, same 10 to 15. Then under 16 and under 17, where then in that we have like development and beginners. We keep both the groups with development and beginner, because a beginner cannot be play with the development.
The ethos here is simple. Develop the person first and the footballer will follow. Discipline, academic focus, nutrition, and mental conditioning are given equal weight alongside ball skills and tactics.
So youth, we want to develop in the grassroots, we want to develop the youth. So then only it will not help us, it will help all country like India. India को help होगा, क्योंकि अगर grassroots नहीं develop होगा तो आप सीधा player नहीं बना सकते. You have to start from 5 year, 6 year child. अगर आप उसको पाँव में football दोगे, if he continue play for football for next 5 years, so definitely Messi, Ronaldo India से ही बनेंगे. But that pathway हमें देना पड़ेगा. We have to give that type of training. We have to work on their strength and conditioning. We have to work on their nutrition. Because सिर्फ खेलने से player नहीं बनेगा. Maximum 50% of the player is made in mom's kitchen. The food has to be there, nutrition has to be there. Otherwise आप उसको भगाए, you make him run for 1 hour और उसकी recovery नहीं हुई, उसको right diet नहीं मिली, तो कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. So that is what we believe, that has to be, the sports science has to be there. Without sports science, no player will develop. आप चाइना देख लीजिए, आप अमेरिका देख लीजिए, आप ऑस्ट्रेलिया देख लीजिए. They are sports science centers हैं उनके. So they are working on the sports science. So our aim is to make center of sports excellence here at Mahamaya Northern United Sports Arena, where we work on the sports science of the child, where we make a center of excellence, not only football, we want to make it for swimming, we want to make it for badminton and other sports also. So we are targeting like we echo with our Prime Minister that खेलेगी इंडिया तो खिलेगी इंडिया. So something like that, we echo with that कि हम खेलेंगे तो हम बढ़ेंगे. So that is, we want to go on that.
The most crucial link between the vision and the player is the coaching staff. They are the daily engineers of excellence, the mentors who translate philosophy into performance.
The infrastructure is very much important in the growth of any of the athlete, beside of any of the game. Particularly, to be very precisely, I would say the infrastructure give the potential to the player itself in terms of any of the game, rolling in the ground. Any equipment definitely will work out for the player, like the give him the advancement in terms of any of the agility work, any of the shooting work, any of the team work. If I talk about, the infrastructure is very much important in the team game or the individual game as well. I've been to the Indian Army as well as a head coach. But see, to be very precisely, sir, I must tell you one thing. The infrastructure out here with the Northern United Club is very much vast. The equipments we have right now, the facility we are giving to our student is at par. The infrastructure we need, if we are lacking with any of the infrastructure we need for our players, we ask for them to the management give it to then and there.
अच्छे एथलीट को तो मोस्टली डिसिप्लिन में रहना चाहिए। आपको पता है कि मोस्ट टॉप एथलीट, अभी जैसे एग्जांपल हम लोग ले तो सबसे पहले डिसिप्लिन में नाम आता है क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो का, ठीक है। ऑल्सो विद द सेम टाइम यू हैव टू लुक फॉर द कोच, सो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट दैट द डर्टीएस्ट साइड ऑफ कोच. So that's the thing required in the both of term. Like if you have the okay coach and the average player, they can't sync with that. But you have something like monster coach and the disciplined guy, you will kill it. That whatever it is, no matter which team you're playing or whatever the competition, but you are getting something from there. That's for sure.
अगर एक प्लेयर है जिसकी रिकवरी काफ़ी अच्छी हुई है, मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा 100%, क्योंकि 100% तो एक प्लेयर का फिट होना और रिकवरी बहुत टफ है। बट हाँ, उसका एक रेशियो हम ले लें अगर 80% 90%, तो डेफिनेटली वो ज़्यादा अच्छा उसका गेम रहेगा। सेम उसका डाइट है, स्लीप है, रेस्ट है। दैन एक प्लेयर है जिसने अगर रात में नींद नहीं ली है तो उसका गेम बहुत ड्रास्टिक डाउन होगा। अभी अगर आप देखोगे जितने प्रोफेशनल प्लेयर्स हैं वो अपने रिकवरी टाइम को बहुत ज़्यादा सीरियसली लेते हैं। दे आर यूजिंग टेक्नोलॉजी, दे आर यूजिंग बैंड्स टू टेस्ट देयर स्लीप्स एंड देन ऑल ओवर हार्ट रेट्स एंड ऑल। तो रिकवरी बहुत मैटर करती है। अगर आपको एक अच्छे लेवल तक गेम खेलना है, चाहे वो कोई भी स्पोर्ट्स हो, फुटबॉल तो वैसे ही बहुत डायनामिक स्पोर्ट है, तो रिकवरी तो बहुत मैटर करती है, बहुत ज़्यादा। इट शुड बी द टॉप मोस्ट प्रायोरिटी।
They push boundaries, they demand precision, and they instill a sense of pride. Here, every drill has a purpose, moving the player one step closer to their potential. The coaching is rigorous, reflecting the high demands of the global game.
कि कोच और स्टूडेंट का जो रिश्ता होता है, आई मीन द रिलेशन जो भी होता है, वो इतना इम्पैक्टफुल होता है कि फॉर एग्जांपल इफ़ अ फादर सेज टू हिज सन कि ये आपको करना है, बी हिज फादर इज़ ऑल्सो अ नेशनल प्लेयर और वट एवर द प्लेयर इज इन दैट पर्टिकुलर मीन ऑफ टाइम, अगर प्रोवाइडेड सेम चीज़ अगर कोच बोलते हैं ना, ही गो विद द कोच अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि कोच ने बोला तो ये करना है।
But ultimately, the heart of the academy beats through the players.
My name is Veer Pratap Kakkar and I play football. And मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम फुटबॉल तब देखा था जब मेरा भाई फुटबॉल टीम स्कूल टीम से खेल रहा था फुटबॉल। एंड जब मैंने उसे पहली बार देखा तो मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा। मेरे को लगा कि मेरे को भी खेलना चाहिए फ़ुटबॉल, इसमें मेरे को बहुत इंटरेस्ट लगा। और फिर मैं ऐसे ही खेलता गया अपने भाई के साथ फ़ुटबॉल। और फिर एक टाइम मैं एकेडमी में भी ज्वाइन करा। फिर मैं एकेडमी में मेरा पोटेंशियल देखा, तो फिर मेरे को काफ़ी क्लब्स ने स्काउट किया, काफ़ी लोगों ने पूछा कि आप मेरे क्लब में खेलना चाहते हो। एंड मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा कि मैं इतना अच्छा ग्रो कर गया इतनी जल्दी टाइम में।
First of all, I was inspired by my father. Then there was a Brazilian player, Neymar Jr. I was inspired by them, which brought me to the game of football.
They come from varied backgrounds across the region, united by the singular dream of playing professional football.
First of all, you just need to balance your studies first. Then you have to just keep training and believe in the process. Not not aiming for something higher. You need to first improve yourself and enjoy the game which you are playing.
They are the champions of tomorrow, dedicating their formative years to this demanding craft.
मैं 15 years old का हूँ और मैं चाहता हूँ कि मैं इंडियन टीम की टी शर्ट पहनूँ। मैं 2 बार नेशनल्स खेल चुका हूँ, अब बस इसकी तैयारी है कि इंडिया का कॉल आए मेरे को।
My aim is to play for India team and wear the India team jersey, and that for the position I would like to be best in would be the striker.
Their energy is palpable. Their focus is unwavering. For these young men and women, Northern United Football Club is more than a training centre. It's a second home, a sanctuary built around a shared obsession.
Like everybody says that bache they keep watching phone, they are in the gadgets. So this has become the need of the hour. Like we also cannot live without mobile phones. So same is with our children also. So when we cannot leave our mobile phones, then how do we expect the children to leave the mobile phones? But of course, the parents, what they can do, they can at least bring the children just once on the ground. Let them explore all the sports. I'm not saying only about football. They can take any sports. They can take golf. They can take badminton. They can take basketball. Any of the sports. Just encourage them to come once or twice, try the sports, and slowly and gradually the children also like to play. There is none of them. Even if I am being asked to play in the rain, I'll be happy to play in the rain. So it is human instinct. So every child loves to play. It is just that the parents have to give a little push from behind. कि okay, एक बारी जाकर तो देखो. So once they are in the ground, they become used to of it, and they know they can enjoy playing any sport that they prefer or they like.
They chase a world where Indian football is respected, not just participated in. They are building a legacy that will echo for decades.
So I would say cricket is already been in eminent post right now. Cricket को जो reach level पे जाना था, highest level पे जाना, he is there only. उसके ऊपर there is no level. Other than that, if you talk about cricket, see, I just discarded the cricket out here. आपके question से मैं cricket से लेके lower level पे आता हूँ, which is kabaddi right now. Kabaddi is moving so much forward. We never thought about the kabaddi will come to the the scenario or the TV games or the national games and all that stuff, which is going on. Same goes with the football also. Football का जो हमारा benchmark था, which is already been high right now. अब हमारा benchmark football का इतना high हो चुका है. So we are competing in the national games, Asian games, and we are also competing for the European national games also. कि हमें वहाँ जाने की eagerness हो गई है. Coaches are coming from the outside. European coaches are coaching to our Indian team, football team. So हमारा जो सर potential है, they are growing gradually day by day. और उसके लिए we being a coaches and all our coaches working very potentially high, and I'm sure कि आने वाले coming 2, 3 years, 5 to 10 years down the line, we definitely compete for the this particular what we call it the अपना World Cup qualifiers also.
This is the new India, a nation that no longer accepts limits, a country where innovation is the currency of change.
So as I was telling you कि football अब now is in our blood, अब ये मेरा पैशन बन चुका है. पैशन मेरे बच्चों का पैशन हमारे अंदर आ गया है. तो हमने अभी सोचा है हमारी अकेडमी से एक इंडिया टीम का प्लेयर निकालना ही निकालना है और एक वर्ल्ड क्लास प्लेयर निकालना ही निकालना है. आज मेसी, रोनाल्डो हम इंडिया से क्यों नहीं निकालेंगे, हम यहीं से निकालेंगे. हम वी विल वर्क ऑन द ग्रास रूट लेवल. एज आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर कि वी वर नॉमिनेटेड एज द बेस्ट ग्रास रूट अकेडमी लास्ट ईयर. वो इसीलिए क्योंकि हम ग्रास रूट में ज़्यादा एफर्ट डालते हैं और ये मतलब कि हम चाहते हैं कि यहीं से बच्चा निकले, यहीं से अच्छा बच्चा निकले, एक देश का नाम करे, एंड देन इट गोज़ फॉर इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर्स. दैट्स व्हाट वी वांट.
We are a civilization that has mastered the field of agriculture, feeding billions, conquering the field of defense, guarding the globe's highest frontiers, dominating the field of technology, charting the future of the digital world. And now we are relentlessly pursuing excellence in the field of sport. The era of hesitation is over. The commitment is unwavering. The investment is real.
Then somebody had told me once कि ये फीमेल क्या चलाएगी एक फुटबॉल क्लब. So that time, you know, of course, I got disheartened that, you know, there was no encouragement from, you know, the male-dominated society. So then I thought, then I took it as a challenge, and then I said that, you know, I'll put in all my efforts, and by God's grace, I'm standing in front of you today.
From the world-class infrastructure of Northern United FC to the relentless spirit of its players and coaches, a statement is being made. This is the relentless, ambitious and unstoppable spirit of a new India. And these are the fields of excellence.